Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw pixel art for games. Pixel art is a digital art form where images are built using individual colored squares, or pixels. It's a fantastic style for creating charming characters and environments, especially for games with a retro feel. Understanding the basics of resolution and how pixels form an image is your first step. We'll cover everything from choosing your tools to adding final details, ensuring your creations look sharp and game-ready. Next, let's talk about getting started with the right tools. You can use specialized pixel art software or even a general image editor like GIMP or Photoshop. The most important step is setting up your canvas. Begin with a small resolution, perhaps 16 by 16 pixels, to truly focus on each individual square. Always use a single pixel brush for maximum control and precision in your artwork. Now, let's dive into some core techniques. Start by outlining your shapes using a consistent, dark color. This defines your forms clearly. Next, limit your color palette to a small, intentional selection, perhaps 8 to 16 colors, to maintain a cohesive look. Finally, practice manual anti-aliasing by carefully placing lighter pixels to smooth out jagged lines, making your edges appear much softer. Finally, let's add depth and detail to your pixel art. Apply shading to give your objects a three-dimensional feel, considering your light source. Experiment with dithering, which uses patterns of two colors to create the illusion of a third, blending colors smoothly. Don't forget to add small, impactful details to bring your characters and environments to life, making them truly unique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.